Are you still using USB cables to test your Flutter app on a real Android device? Then let me show you how you can go fully wireless in just few easy steps. Ready? Let's go. So the first thing is make sure your computer and your Android device are on the same Wi-Fi network. After that, in the settings app, search for the developer options. Let's go to the developer options, and over here we have to find wireless debugging option. Here it is. Let's click on it, turn it on, and after turning it on, we are seeing a pop-up with the network name and the Wi-Fi address. Click on the allow option, and over here we are seeing some IP address and the port number. Using this IP address and the port number, we will now be connecting to this Android device wirelessly over Wi-Fi. So now let's open up the terminal and let's execute command adb connect, type in the IP address and port number. Hit enter, and as we can see, we are getting a message connected to IP address and the port number that we have provided. Now let's open up Visual Studio Code, and I have Flutter application open in my Visual Studio Code. Let's hit Ctrl Shift P keyboard shortcut to open up the command palette and select the first option, Flutter select device. And as we can see, our device is showing up in the list with the IP address and the port number that we have used to connect to it over Wi-Fi. And I can now select that device and select the run and debug option to deploy the application on our Android device. And as we can see, we have successfully deployed our application on the Android device. And that's it. With just few simple steps, we are able to connect to our Android device wirelessly. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about Flutter and Dart, check out my Flutter and Dart playlist. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Happy coding!